Ghana for like I'm not talking about the Ghanaian viewers, but I'm talking about the industry players. I don't know why people are like quick to judge, quick to talk. Asanto asemo bekan eye no kre meka omopa omumedi matam. Enne se sie ye no kase. So oye celebrity whatever your name is. Na se obono. Na se opese enyom ne trend ya. These TikTokers are part. I heard last mix song Abrekra na Asantoa react. Odi enyom gene
the Masantuela South Africa for no one yumbi. I was from Bulika. The minimum wait to move. Then and again walk off from you now about all the trend or TikTok.
I'm telling you.
No, so no.
Yeah, me Beyou and I said me Beyou asem not because of anything, but because he is a hard-working boy like myself. And nothing me pen asem. Maybe be a.
Mebu Safo, me wanna acquire by our TV. Na me saw there. Subscribe mom on the beer make a day. Men subscribe for more biala. Our day subscribe mom. Na and there. Aha. Be buta. O Sunday. Menya Uncle Nature. Better now. Often Uncle Nature na ya tinizino. Na de marco one. Marco fan. Na mizna besia. Baby son some. Na and some no Bobby don't find trouble. Let the OTA March dead they be all the Beyou. Every day he talk about Beyou. Until that ma do mu na ma bibi mu and ma summarizing ma kadame me class 3. Inti awo say wo first time na delete ma me saw there subscribe mom. Men subscribe for more beer and then some no you do. But them there, very way. So you be you new so you be you no blog. So be you wait chair the cow na better be. Interview no do. Until the stay tuned. Then ya abotel nature. Uncle Nature more kwa best by our TVs.
Na me have to be me do so.
Hey, Uncle Nature, na me nim there one way for them. Na me sure media no do na me sure me who person ma abo shake say won ye for pa.
Oh, thank you. That's also me sure like ofantino. Na wo gidi se vanti mete de.
Leda. No hade de moye kana no nte o de esua.
Mate.
Uncle, first question. Be you or your unia?
Me das de di kama menchia TV ne our TV. Ma menchia wa hwefo enyina na men kan tro mo se mpacho am subscribe man do why na Beyou minia se me ka se Beyou minia yemfiri mojem na yemfiri enemu anase ejem na emumu no oye adamfo abusua aha adwuma na sese ahso wa be mabusua wati ase nti oye minua said there was a minua in medium, yeah, but only minua in biological, say, a jana said nana, away, and tis a
pedestrian there, won't free na jack.
Debbie.
Aha, okay. And one free and where I'll not be you, one free knuckle, no one free jackery. I didn't know on them.
Okay, me that's me that's where you abad
blah, mpacho uncle. Entum kan vantana mensha wo hade.
Okay, like me they say we used to say a dent na me penase me don. I really like that word. Me Beyou and I say me Beyou asem not because of anything but because he is a hard-working boy like myself. And nothing na me penase nye bibia. Or you very very hard-working. And no pet na me penase and no na me don.
How the young a pedestrian day or a hard working, then you did pede bunutun gumbia.
Oh no, like Otunguns in it.
Pede bunutun guma.
How's that like? I mean,
besides there, most says be there done at Beyou. It's a pedestrian day and coffee be then a pede bunutun guma.
No, it's not like that.
And pede bunutun
like as I said, he's
blender. Mpacho, I had day one cabro for her. Aha. Munkofu na wonte brofu papa te da me nti awo ye katwi anada ye kamfante nti awo kakol na wo brofu no ma hwa interviews pa ma unda brofo na to be fa na ato awon te brofo da ma mete hey da de yenko yenim.
Okay. So as I was saying, you know, or you hard-working guy, or you obia looking at baby or start free, any baby are all corner, or you consistent. The guy is very consistent, and he's a very hard-working guy. On here now you say na bemu bibu, but he's always on point. I mean, working hard. Say the bear, the talent, and then the craft, nipa bede, ibihu. Yeah.
Nti the mad intina mad don.
Exactly.
Na Beyou mpacho mambisa dam question Beyou wetu ya wakawa.
Okay, me that say otia meka wo dey ho like
mbisa efi dem amala meteten nsam bi da was Beyou aha mambisa dam question eye Beyou ne personal blogger na
I can okay Beyou metime a blogger ma Beyou ebia me fact me ho say me blogger ma Beyou me fact me ho say me blogger ma your friend say kwaku menu ebia me blogger ma Nana K ebia me blogger ma ebia me blogger ma Nana Mama Brown Asantua me like I can choose to blog ebia anti say ebia consistent no say me blogger fa Beyou and that doesn't mean say we tuameka say me blogger pa efa Nana Mama Brown ebia Nana Mama Brown does not mean say we tuameka. I'm a blogger and I can choose to like I blog for everybody until I'm not on any personal blogger who can want them me say what can okra can as them class
miss day bleda adukunta mamil bi so dem question ne day ma atete no won from mam day was Beyou we chia wo kaw
okay
there a G billion amala mba be dridum efi de Beyou we chia billion
okay
enam there amanfo see Beyou we chia wo kaw ntina de biala Beyou ntinda abatina me yidi me channel ni di mpede kama wiaze afa na nyina wote wonka de Beyou we chia wo kaw anado onchia wo kaw
okay me that's wo cry wonsuru ma me musa bi wo Beyou we chia wo kaw say me wo say wo videos more na afa Beyou
Beyou onchia me kaw
okay ene so onchia wo kaw minim de ntia ni pass we tua meka like
I would say
me of course but o tua meka say menya ne dey
the brogman kebman
like this is impossible. I mean we there are people that we charge you won crofone mom do maduma bria ye charge won and no a different I mean topic or content altogether but you cannot pay me send me blogging man. Okay, fine. Tell me you. Young man say Beyou akọ na say okọ St. Joseph School bi ekọ ye your friend say okọ ya ado e. Eno no beba be try me ka say me magana fo hu say why opposed to e over the YouTube. Ena me hu ye. Enti me hu ye na I was like, wow. This is amazing. This needs a reaction. This needs say what's ye den. Ye kasa fa hu. Doesn't mean say we tuameka but obi a buy tuameka e be ordinary craft ordinary product ordinary bibi na eba bonten saa no me charge o ma we no Satawale e de ni ma ba bonten anasa Satawale akọ America wakọ show lavish life na or dey abetu ni Instagram na yen so ye fa kasa fa ho Satawale try kasa blog man. So, like, I think it's about time people say, "Omobe jai say we try can." I mean, nobody has paid anybody. Obi en Jamaica.
So, but China, nobody has paid anybody.
Exactly.
You, Mabusanfo, Uncle Nature say nobody has paid anybody. You tell me, I no bluffer, not your daughter bluffer pancha, and no old joking. Uncle, yanko dam question this. I said, Beyou the pa. Inti eshe Beyou no comedy no. Mpacho me say am won fam nko school no comedy no boy no comedy no oye no
but I know my voice me enti de kan
enti mameleka no miss there say Beyou
of course
edon pa
yeah
nyenu tune be de bugum but edon
yeah
and I may be so there edon za no comedy no only ye no
sure
esha efutu wom anado oye nkekede ye nsrew
Okay, and also once I make a hard working, come on, me chichi more a hard working said the city now. It's part of the reasons in time me pen asem. The comedy now the aban. The guy is so creative. Me that interview a man for our show no so. And people are like, I love him because you're creative. Oh, one man see be the slay queen. And at the end of this slay queen video, now I can't be na the actual. So you will not watch alone, watch and laugh alone, but you watch and then take something from the video, like advice or motivation. So what I say, and in the videos, you know, a motivation, a very funny, a educative. I mean, it's a whole package. You get what I'm saying? It's a whole package. The guy is very talented, and when people see us talking about him now, I mean, you shouldn't be talking, say, me cheer me car, and then no. Like, he's talented.
Inti, Madam Bissau, Beyou, mo from na Nancy, me wana meet the case biaba.
Sure.
One is a friend of Punchakum. I don't want to go there.
Okay.
Now, case ni bear no.
Yeah.
Me badam bisa da mo from me no only adwuma ni say Beyou wa sign no na another me mpede enen ka Beyou me ba sopa no wa hade papa.
Okay. Me da say ofant no bi go na am chance no bit me ana fin so asem nto kasa ni.
Miss there. Beyou.
Okay.
No mo from na.
Ni mo from enkwala.
Yeah, no mo from na sisi ono won adwuma no.
She said, "No, we are doing."
Aha, case be a besin twa mu no.
Okay.
Me be so the empede dem case no. Obesa sibiam. Nti me be so the sisi yi mu wa sign no na dey on sign one.
Okay, as a blogger no, me nya information bia e chese wa sign wo and on sign wo. However, maybe me kwa me be reaction bi. Say, Bibi said the Obusan question and Busan, but I think the response I mean say say or Busu.
Or little.
Yeah, Bibi Sana meeting say say Obusu or yeah, but upe right source and answer part I think say we bet me the number.
Okay, and then the look say one number.
Me nim also say also your blog and to bet me research.
Abedin na Beyou also oba to padam. Say any nua.
Okay,
ni padodo.
Okay, when
this one, I'm for them quick, also no, then you do abda. Okay,
on say, I mean, that one is just entertaining.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'll put it that way.
Yeah, fun. Na, a girl be a Santoa.
Okay.
Was a TikTok celebrate.
Okay. Asantoa.
Asantoa.
Yeah.
Oko YouTube do. No ka san bi wo ho na ma ati da Ghana fo wo so pa baya na pa besia bei.
Okay.
Sha asema besia bei okaka na YouTube no ye do kadama.
Okay, me nim say me be video bi mi say wa sha
mba chon ze me hwe.
Okay, on share nka wa sha nka mu sam sa question because me makasa fa ho. Okay, on say Ghana for like I'm not talking about the Ghanaian viewers, but I'm talking about the industry players. I don't know why people are like quick to judge, quick to talk. Asanto asemo beka yi eye no kre me meka omo pa omo medi matam. O hwe me sesi ya. O say a seasonal something. Maybe 15 years ago it was radio. Maybe 20 years ago, it was radio. Maybe 30 years ago, it was a disc, cassette. Right now, when we be there dancing, say, question, when was the last time I went to radio?
When
was the last, right?
Uncle.
When was the last time?
Uncle Nature.
Oh no, when was the last time?
But
are you not always on TikTok? On Facebook and Instagram?
No hobby. Mission one pounds, one follow, one like mpo.
So what I'm trying to say is very simple. As Antoine no kind, it is true. And necessary, you know, say. So oh yes, celebrate whatever your name is. Na say obono. Na say o pese enyom ni trend ya. these TikTokers are part of the trend. Eyade Alba. TikTok ubemuna last me dinumbia me I heard last me song abrekra na asantua react odi yanum
na uncle the masantua yala a South Africa for no one bi our friend Bulika the minimum no echemo then enim de again wako fanyum na ba all trend or TikTok.
I'm telling you.
No so no.
Yeah. And see, I mean, they are part of the trend, whether you like it or not. They are part of the trend. The current words they see when we there. We cannot and the all cannot no crack. What I said, the Asantwe can pa. What the meboa no. Let's be frank to ourselves. The Asantwe can no boa.
But you me interview.
So what I say, people should stop insulting here, say or you're arrogant or go try YouTube.
Uncle nature mpacho me time na ntimi nje bodo. Nte kan bia mam bisaw. Uncle now we at blofa. Another nteblo.
The American is a house another ngati na American.
Uncle mpacho ntimi ba na make sentem.
So le kwanju na ache.
Me say etblofo another ntblofo.
Ana me so the American say anya dangati
ana house. Mosa wu interviews na reaction mampo mete there was a state of the media address that in fact mo so na in fact me
in fact for
in fact mo state of the media address na
in fact
na mete there at the state of the media address that ba we show you do aka blofo kora na blofo na mala mitum ko hwe blofo wo this na mu da mala mu hu blofo mi sha blofo no this na baby ala enti mbada mtina me bi so da wa eteblofa
na na ke na kire me
na ke na kire blofo ntira ntina blofo ye dawi
yeah
na uncle eteblofa ndal ewo de eka blofo na eka na awisha kontem no fe eka ma moto abi ntina kwa na eka blofo ye mi hu no additional mu
ana ma kan blofo
uncle o blofo eka na ho no da wo fonten
oh footing I love it
uncle mpacho mbi so asam yi ma no awa eteblofa
brofo no say de beba na meka no nti de ba na meka ye no nti
mo be na eken
yeah
uncle yenye bia wala
oh there be me worry
nti da was single man nti obi apa
I'm not single
yen for application man na yen bia
oh no I'm not single
unye single but then wale
yeah I'm not married yeah
ebusafo uncle so on wale na so onye single the master me wala TB wo him okay na uncle mbisa wasam ko asam no kam da mili filo ko exactly the man number Beyou na asam yado
okay
ma to da was award nti wo nominate no award ana meboa na esikokoti
sure
nti mpede ekasem kakra ede kire Ghana fo mosa yem won naze cha de kagu ode watamam.
Okay, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I mean, a lot of people are saying say ya chami kana me blogging my Beyou, but that is not true. And the second thing is that nipa no yenina we di dance say or ya the papa. As I said, no me penasa because the guy is very hardworking, talented, creative, and I mean humble. What I say, and you know, so oh share me what share the comedy and I first time using maybe oh share me and I miss bent miss udini design.
Midinizi Adwata aka Abesiluwa.
Ayo. Say and then I hear Adwata aka Abesiluwa. Pacho, na say unim Beyou comedian. Beyou comedy, Beyou BEYOU. Now the comedy na so. What subscribe why be kwa hard working. Very creative and funny, I mean entertaining and educative comedian. What you going to know awards needed. I mean he deserves it. Into young vote, young cost and vote, no massive support. I think that's what I can say for now. Yeah.
Okay. Mebusafo, uncle, I was yedi interview near za baby.
Okay.
Into how they analyze it for me. And now there how they born tough.
Okay, I should summarize. Okay. Abusafo me din metima can nature
oh,
someone.
No problem. How the your advert
Okay, I was informed Pacho open exclusive interviews a lot. I mean, when it comes to reactions and I mean everything with me, I mean some interviews a lot. I mean you've been seeing me, give me the support. Subscribe to Nature TV GH. And your TikTok also at Nature TV GH. Your Facebook Nature TV GH. Baby Nature TV GH. Me din the Uncle Nature. Yeah, I mean, Anna mon support to Beyou so asantoa the obeka on carbon. I think if there's any other thing else be happy to busa me.
Uncle Pacho, me se bon tough.
Okay, I'm not finishing Pacho. Mon subscribe
our TV.
Mon subscribe to our TV.
Na uncle, the be be interview with Nature TV. The be our be interview. Catch them.
Amazing.
Yeah, Martin.
Okay.
Ebusanfo, mezini besi ha na me saw there. Subscribe to our TV, ma'am. Mizna Nizi Adwata aka Abesiriwa. Na azika krampeda me catch on day. Bede oti he. Oya pa. Oye good. On there be no oye kokko dem na why faithful. Do on worry but or ni serious wo ho nti mesi afo na ono ya na obisa wo ni bisa question no also obi wo ho obi aye occupied ti mesra won jay application no na subscribe to Nature TV.
Thank you.
Birthday or zipa de bia meka de azipa ofia oye Ghana yen support yen nkasa yen aze yen support obi owo baby na adwum we gbe obo amanfo birthday oye good oye excellent. Inti awode mamotima aka acha wande subscribe to Nature TV GH.
Me upedi matem me can see so biem say 2 years coming ye dia santo aka no true whether you like it or not. I'm saying upedi matem this is true. Asantoa me bo waba so asam na kan manipa ni watem am nokre na wabeka no me wo say actors bi a wo mu dia ho ya na akofa mu dig sister yatem joka yenso ye nokre me da asumidin e da Nature so weniji blog adwuma weniji YouTube adwuma person ye YouTuber wo pese I mean ye chiro bibi that for YouTube ho now so post video to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram biara na unya views na unya comments na unya likes ye chiro journalism how we see kasa can say say a YouTube channel no na say opese ye boa na say ye chiro na ultimate creative graphic design video editing ade bi e fa hu bi apese ye chiro bi ampacho akwanya ba kese pa say e fa say how we see kasa e fa say how we see video editing graphic design thumbnail how we see book caption biara involving in being a YouTuber from beginning to say obey professional. So we interested in quad the number in the screen so betimi afa na wafre afenso your location e Kumasi so Kumasi there your location e Kumasi abrep distance is not a barrier baby biara hwe ye bia ye betimi a kire via Skype, Zoom and even WhatsApp call ye betimi a kire ni nyina nse obepeke number in the screen so me din e dey Nature we and am pese me ye na me de boa.